Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
Hi, today's quick tip features how to fix a gluing boo-boo where your glue shows. First, whenever I glue, I use a glass, this one's kind of frosted, but it's a glass counterboard tray just to protect my work surface. And let me focus on some of the boo-boos here for you. Let's see if I can tilt it so you can see. You can see how there's kind of a glossy place here where my glue leaked from underneath. Maybe this shows it a bit better. I guess I wasn't careful enough when I glued it, and it kind of looks quite bad because my glue's seeping up through and you get that shiny finish. So I am going to show you how to fix that. So I'm just going to outline the areas. I'm going to stay on the red, but I'm going to outline the white with my Conceal pen. You can use an aqua shimmer pen as well. I'm trying to get that in so you can see kind of what the pen looks like. And I'm going to pick it up so that maybe you can see me doing it a little better. Let's get this in focus for you. And I'm just kind of not being a perfectionist. Don't need to be a perfectionist. In fact, if you're not perfect, then they won't be highlighting on the imperfections. And when you get done, see how it's kind of got that sparkly shine? And that hides your glue. It looks like it was supposed to be there.